Friday Souls. It's Friday Souls. What you gonna make? If you want to see what I've been doing this week in my sewing room and a recap of this dress, please stay tuned. Hi, everybody. I hope that you are having a fantabulous week. Thank you so much for tuning in to my Friday Souls video. My name is Shalisa, and you have stopped by So She Designs. This is Friday Souls that was started by Jen from Today in Jen's Sewing Room, where vloggers get together and we talk about the things that we're working on, what's going on, what we're sewing, a little bit about life. So I want to start with the dress that I'm wearing. I am wearing Simplicity 8981. It's an easy to sew pattern, and I made view B. I did a video this past Sunday, which was my first Sunday video entitled First Ladies and Fashion. So in this series, it's going to be a 12-part series. So I'll bring you a video each month, the first Sunday of each month. And with those videos, I'm going to recreate a look that one of our first ladies have worn. So this month is Dr. Jill Biden. So this is the dress that I recreated from that video. So if you like more information, I'll have a link to that video in the description box below. Now, I haven't sewn anything else thus far, but I will be getting busy. Hello, I wanted to come on here and let you know that I did make something, and I'm going to scoot over so I can show you what I made. This is, oh my gosh, I forget the pattern, but this is, I forget the, oh gosh, I forgot the pattern. That's so sad. However, I wanted to talk about the material that I used, and I'll put the pattern up here. But this is a Sherpa lined fleece, I believe, from Joann Fabrics. And I just wanted to show this to you guys. When I was cutting it out, I didn't have enough. So it ended right here, which is kind of make it like a 3/4 quarter sleeve. And it just didn't look right. So because I was going to have to add on to make the sleeve longer, just so it'll look correct to me, I flipped the fabric so it looks like I have this huge cuff right here, but this is really just the fabric flipped on the wrong side. So I just wanted to show you how I fixed a problem that I had with this material that is very beautiful, but I will probably try my best not to work with it again because it's very messy. And because of that, I can't tell you, this is so beautiful and so warm, but I will probably not buy this. I'm saying probably because there's another color that I wanted, and I would really love to do this jacket again in that fabric. But this fabric is very, very messy. So if you use this fabric, you're going to need to have a lint roller with you to get all the extras up, because yeah, it took me there. But I do love the jacket. It is very cozy. It is very warm. I actually wore it today to work, and I just wanted to show you guys that I did manage to make something today before my Friday Sews aired, and I wanted to show you what it was that I made. So I hope you enjoyed this little clip of my little addition to the video. All right, back to the rest of the video, guys. Today we're going to go over a little bit of fabric that I picked up. I am not supposed to be buying fabric this year. However, that's not going to work because I already know that I'm planning a trip with some friends, and we are supposed to be going to New York. So I was like, okay, I'll just buy fabric in New York. Then I walked in Joann's and found some discount fabric, And for whatever reason, I am obsessed with the little cherries on the fabric, but I have yet to find one that I like. So I found this cotton fabric. It was only $2.99 a yard. It was marked down. But these aren't cherries, but they're just little buds, flower buds. And I think that is so cute. And I think I can use it to make, something similar to like a dress that I have on. And so I purchased this, only $2.99 a yard, and I got 3 yards of this. As well as I purchased 2 more fabrics that were this. I purchased this green because I didn't have this solid green, and I needed to go with the fabric that I purchased with the gift card that I got, the Joann's gift card I got, and I want to use this in conjunction with the other fabric. If I had it, I would show you the fabric, but it is really, really cute. And it has like oranges on it and butterflies. Really, really cute. And it's orange, but it has this green in there. And the green was in here. So I was torn between this fabric and the other fabric, but the green matched both. So I'm still torn on which is going to be which dress. However, I needed to color block and make some piping on either dress. So that's why I got the green. And I purchased these 2 fabrics. And I just got 2 yards because I want to get started on my project Dress a Girl. Even if I could just make 1 or 2 dresses out of the month, that would be great to have those ready when it's time to send those in. But I thought that was really cute and colorful, and then I could put a solid color pocket on there. And I like this one, this little blurry looking colors. And I was like, oh, okay, I could put a solid color pocket on this one as well. And I just thought those were just 2 cute little fabrics that I could make little girls' dresses out of. So I picked up those because I don't want to just send everything in florals, even though I love florals. It's probably not everybody's cup of tea. I also picked up a plethora of sewing patterns that I wanted to share with you guys. So let's get started on that. I have so many patterns. I'm just going to share a few of them with you for this episode, and then we'll do a whole new video with the other patterns that I picked out as well. So this one is Simplicity 8981. If you saw my video on the First Lady in Fashion episode, you know that I wanted to make the dress a little bit bigger. So the size that I already had was size 6 through 14. So I picked up the 14 through 22. So I will have both of those sizes available to me if I need them. I also picked up this bib pattern just because I was just thinking about making a few things and maybe donating them. I don't know, maybe to nursing homes or facilities or whatever. Because, I mean, there's only so many clothes that you can make before you start kind of, recreating things or whatever. But anyway, I felt like with scraps or something, this would be a great scrap buster. I could make different colors. So I picked up this bib pattern. This is Simplicity 2687. And this is for an adult. This is an adult bib pattern. And then I picked up several dog patterns. So I have small dogs, but I do know the group that I'm in. There are people who are always wanting to make dog clothes, and I may do like a little series with them where we make the dog clothes because they're not very hard to make, but some people just need to be guided. So I picked up three patterns for that. Simplicity 1239, which I really like this. Simplicity 1578. This is for the larger dog. And this is so adorable. This is Simplicity 3939. So I picked those up. I also picked up a few children's patterns because, like I said, I want to get started on some of the Project Dress a Girl dresses and do a couple of a month just to, have them ready by the time it is time to send them in. So this is 8102, and I not only got this for the dress, it's an easy to sew pattern. But I also got it for this cute tote bag. I think that little cat bag is just really, really cute and really, really different. And I like that. So I got it for that. I got this not for Project Dress a Girl, but for my granddaughter because I just think this is her all day. This is Simplicity 1453. And this is an easy to sew pattern as well. And I love this view C on this one, the chevron pattern. This is Simplicity 1121. I love that. It is a gorgeous dress. I love that. And I also picked up Simplicity 1447. Now I picked up this one because this is an easy to sew pattern as well. And I do have a new little grandbaby, but I needed little baby boy clothes. And I have a doll that I got a few years back from the Goodwill. And my mother and I tried our best to get like the stains on the clothes out, and we never could. So I think I'm going to make him just a whole new outfit. And I just wanted something to choose from. So this one has a variety of items on this pattern. So I was like, that's perfect. I can make his clothes with that. So when I get ready to make those clothes, I'll share that with you guys as well. So those are just a few patterns that I picked up during the Simplicity sale. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope that you are enjoying the new series. I hope that you'll tune in and watch and just keep up with what we're making over here so we all can learn together. As always, remember, you are so awesome, and we'll see you guys on the next video.